Hey there, this is Hasnen from Trending Codes, and in this video we're gonna make some classes which is provided by the Bootstrap 4 to style your text with the different colors. They are the basic classes where you can make your web development so easy and fast by using that text color classes. So we have several colors of text classes like text muted. So in this tutorial we're gonna see about how to use them, when to use them, and what kind of the class names are to use that particular colors. Now first of all, we're going to create some basic text over here, and let's say for an example I'm going to say div class equals to text, and inside the text I'm going to use the paragraph tag, and I'm going to say this is Bootstrap 4. Okay, now inside this, if you go ahead and open this, you're gonna get the basic text which have a basic web page which have a paragraph with this is Bootstrap 4 right over here. But now what if I want to text it? Again, if you're not using Bootstrap 4, then we have to go ahead and create a style sheet, and then again we should write a styles for that particular. But if you're using Bootstrap 4, again you should just include the class. And let's say for example, if you want to display the text in a gray color, then you should use the class called text muted, and your text will be up here like this. Over here it gets a gray color. Now in the same way, if I want to use the different color which is provided by the Bootstrap 4, then I should directly go ahead and include the another class. If you want to make your text to be blue, then you should import, or you should use the class called text primary right over here, and you'll get something like this. Okay, still we didn't got the color, but primary. So oh, okay, I did a spelling mistake over here. It's PRI. So if you go ahead and take a look, you'll get a blue color right over here. Now in the same way, let's say for example, if you want to use different color in your text, you can go ahead and use these several classes. So first one is primary, and the second one is text success, if you want to display that particular text in a green color. So if you go ahead and use the success class, you're gonna get the green color text right over here. Okay, now again we have different classes which is provided by the Bootstrap 4, and you can use accordingly as per your requirement. And then the another one is text info. Let's see what color this class will give you. Is a bluish color or something, maybe cyan or something. So if you want to give an information on your web page, you can use the text info class right over here. Now we got a warning message. If you want to display a warning message, we got a warning class too. So you should directly go ahead and use the warning, and you can display your text in a red color or something like that. Just see over here. It's not red, it's warning, so you can it will be in blue color. Now the same way, I have different class which is provided by the Bootstrap 4 is text danger. Obviously danger is a red color. Boom. Okay, and I go ahead and create more paragraph because we have few classes too. Now the next one is secondary. So if you want to display your text as a secondary, you can use this class right away, and you'll get something like this right over here. It is somewhat a dark brown color, yeah, and if you want to display your text in a white color, you can directly use the text right over here, but you're not going to see that over here because our background is white. Now I have the last but not least, that is text dark. Dark. Obviously it's dark, so black in color. And if you want, we have light too. Instead of dark, you can use light. LIGHT. Okay. Boom. So it is light in color. It is not exactly white, but it is light in color. So you can easily able to see that it's light in color. Now that was all about the text. But what if you want to display all these colors or all these text with a different background? You can just go ahead and create the different backgrounds by just using the class colors into the class names, into the divisions. So for example, I'll just remove this div and give the color as BG primary. So as you can see, for primary they have set a blue color. So if you go ahead and refresh this, you're gonna get the whole division in a blue color. So okay, if you want to change some backgrounds, you can use the different classes which is provided by the Bootstrap. For let's say for an example, I create a division again, and I use these instead of BG primary, I'll use BG success. So you can use each and every classes which is provided by the text that can be applied on division too. But you should make sure if you're using on division or background, you should include the BG hyphen, then the color name or the class name, that is mutate primary success info warning danger secondary. So you can use accordingly according to your needs. So if I go ahead and refresh, I'm gonna get the green color right here. So in the same way, I can use the different classes like I'll go with maybe info, and the division background will be something like this. So you can use like this way, and you can apply the different text colors to your division colors too. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about the tables which is provided by the Bootstrap 4. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna make some more beautiful videos about the Bootstrap 4. I'm showing you all from the basics, and in the end of this series we will create some awesome templates by using Bootstrap 4, which will be fully responsive. And I hope you like this video. Once again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And I have created some beautiful tutorials on how to develop the mobile app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript using Ionic 3 framework. Take a look on that, link in the descriptions, and I'll see you next one.